Minglabashi, collocation question the Pogo, to do Piambima Pachijaya, who Pimeles, Rario to do Piambima Pichijaya, no? David Lynch is a professor and head of education at Charles Darwin University. Like to this, he was a sub-dean in the Faculty of Education and Creative Arts at Central Queensland University. So, to got Lutia a champion, no David Lynch, so they looked down to got Professor Pitt there. Charles Darwin University, head of education. Like to that, he was the Majaro is low don't tire or not a coup to pinny to get a low kind. The Majaro, he was low pure, and you know how pure and so in the blank claim my bali check. So prior to this time, came professor, head of education, Mapikema, to got sub-dean in the Faculty of Education and Creative Art at Central Queensland University. Okay, P2I and foundation head of the university's users. Era a foundation head Pit Male, university's user. Library la, campus la, field la, building la. University look your architecture, no campus pillar, no? No, so campus university foundation had no? David's career in education began as a primary school teacher in Queensland in the early 1980s and belonged to 4 principal positions. To Kadari Mapikima to year education career primary school teacher in the Asahe. And Nesatare do not begin the pare. So ye the anamatea melbapile past tense repeat. Past tense in progress ne impress version. 2-4 principal position look your architect in progress pin. Rosata our primary school teacher digan sabi ma principal position progress pit or yahoo that what did the body? David's research plan predominant in teacher education with a particular interest in building teacher capability to meet the changing world. So David did research card. This is so public means chichiya beta tema baka interest question. So interest level chepping maybe confirm lo Pilia alone mare. So I look the coaches to get in the papi marking solution. A Pimali will let the Busa Galuya Mare, Jesus the Mare.